Ryan believes in excellence in education and all-round development. And according to our respected visionary chairman Sir Shwelpan Vision, sports is also emphasized in it.
7 schools, 17 squads, 71 events, 123 participants, and just 3 days full of fun. Let's have a look at it.
This academic year, 2016-17, 12th Ryan Inter-School Zonal Athletic Sports Meet is scheduled from 9th to 11th January.
It's an honor to be here. You invited us first. We thank a lot for inviting us. It's good to see the youngsters participating in sports events, athletic events. My son has been an athlete. He's what you can say a fastest boy of Mumbai. So I feel very proud to be between you.
Today was the first inauguration day where 8 schools under the Zone 2 participated for March Past competitions. Each school participated for 12 squads and therefore we had 67 squads for competition. Today was the opening and tomorrow the events will start. The total events for this year is 71 and the students participating in 723. So this inspiration to develop the sportsmanship is under the vision of our chairman sir Dr. A.F. Pinto and our managing director Madam Grace Pinto, where each student should rise and shine in the sports field along with the academics. This platform is greatly being inculcated to develop the vision of the school to be the champions of future tomorrow and to participate at national and international level.
How was the function?
It was really a very memorable one and I loved it. The hard work made by the students was really very good. I enjoyed it.
What was the best part of the program?
A lot of things that I felt was good. The enthusiasm of the kids, how the teachers were encouraging the kids to push to the limit.
Very excellent. Instead of we giving an inspiring speech, I think I'm taking back inspiration from the children.
Program was wonderful, the energy in students and everything.
Great pleasure to be here. The time constraint was there, but then I really enjoyed every moment of the program. smile on each student, whether he was a winner or a loser. And the kind of encouragement the others gave the children was really amazing, that there's so much of support in this school. There's a kind of, you can actually make out the difference between the culture and the love and affection.
I really liked that none of the kids who were playing keyboard, guitar or drums, they all were the kids, so I really liked it. It's like a development, in-house development of a talent.
Again, the coordination and the music, the singing, and of course the medals.
वहाँ पे अच्छा लगा कि जो कुछ बैंड है या तो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है सब बच्चे लोग कर रहे थे, क्योंकि कम से कम 10-12 स्कूल में कॉलेजेस में गया हूँ एज अ स्पोर्ट्स गेस्ट करके, लेकिन यहाँ पे डिफरेंट देखने को मिला कि सब स्टूडेंट ही कर रहे हैं.
As I just said, that you all are very warm, and the welcome that was given, we felt it so. We felt so welcome, like how you welcome a family member. So it's really being great being a family member of Ryan International Schools.
How was the program?
Program was very well organized. I really liked it. Thank you so much for having me here.
प्रोग्राम इज़ वेरी नाइस, बहुत ही अच्छा था. वहाँ से उठने का मन नहीं कर रहा था actually.
The best part was that I could feel that energy in the students.
Any message for the management?
I think keep it up, keep up the enthusiasm.
I can thank them for having me here. I really appreciate it. It's my first time as a chief guest or a judge somewhere. So thank you.
मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा था, क्योंकि कम जगह पे बहुत ही मतलब लगा नहीं था कि इतना सारा इवेंट्स हो सकता है, और बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Looking forward for many more yet to come, and seeing you all again and again.
Everything that starts comes to an end,
But this is just the beginning for the shining stars in the field of sports.
with the winners taking their awards in recognition. Now it's a time to bid goodbye. On this sporting note, this is Vitka Sharma
And this is YJ Pooja Vyas signing off for Ryan TV
from Ryan International School, Kandivali, Mumbai.